Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl Emem back with another video. I haven't said that in a really long time. But what's good, y'all? How y'all doing? Anyways, so this video is gonna be a weekend in my life. It's my first weekend in my new place, my new apartment, and so it's just gonna be a weekend in my life. There's actually some things that I need to do this weekend. Actually, a lot of things I need to do this weekend. So, number one, I need to unpack. I really need to just organize my closet and organize things in my house, in my new apartment. And I actually am having my housewarming party tomorrow. So, I'm very excited. I invited all my friends to help me move in, and also some more of my friends. So, I'm very excited about that. And so I'm just gonna vlog this whole weekend because, man, it's gonna be a lot of things to do, and I just wanted to take y'all along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started and let me stop talking and just like get my life started, you know. But actually what I need to do right now is go buy groceries because I need to cook for the party tomorrow. It's gonna be like a dinner kind of party kind of thing, so I need to go cook and just like start preparing for that. Sorry, I need to go buy groceries and like start preparing for that, so I'm gonna do that. Let's go to the grocery store. So I just got some groceries for the party tomorrow. This is a lot of stuff. So I ordered some stuff from Amazon Prime, the Prime Now thing. And then I went to like my local grocery store and bought all the other stuff. The only reason why I ordered, because this is expensive, I don't do it a lot. The only reason why I did that was because I can't find good bread anywhere. So I wanted bread, and then to be honest, I started looking through and I found other things that I didn't really need, but I bought them. So wasting money here. Alright, so I'm making like a Nigerian dish called jollof rice with like some chicken and a sauce and things like that. So I got some chicken, of course, very important. I actually want to marinate this tonight so that I can stay and like, you know, marinate overnight. But I got 3 packs of chicken, which is quite a lot, but I was like, I don't know how much people would eat. I'm just gonna cook everything, even if people don't eat that much, like it's leftover food for me. So tomorrow's gonna be a lot of cooking. I got some rice. I really just like Uncle Ben's rice. That's usually what I get. Tomato sauce and tomato paste, very, very important. You just have to have tomato paste in your house. If you don't have tomato paste in your house, what are you cooking? Like literally, what are you cooking? Okay. Grapes, yes, because you know I got my cherries, guys. I love like these type of cherries. I don't like the red ones. These ones are amazing. These things are freaking, oh, I don't have them so long. So freaking good. Oh my god. Just realized that I forgot to buy spices, so I literally went to the store today because I was like, I want to marinate the chicken overnight so it can get in. And then I get there and like they're about to close, and I'm like in a hurry, and I'm like, oh yeah, I don't need spices right now. I can just get the chicken. Alright then, since we're not marinating, let's make our pizza for the night. Good morning. It is Saturday and I just finished filming a video, so I have all this makeup on. Y'all would have seen the video by now because you probably will figure it out. But I just finished filming that video. I am actually about to go out to go buy some stuff again. As you know, I didn't buy everything that I needed last night at the grocery store, so I have to go to the grocery store again to go buy some stuff and also just buy some toiletries, to be honest, because your girl has run out. And then I'm actually going to go pick up some mail that I ordered, stuff from my place, and then start cooking for the house party, clean up the house and just get ready for that. And that's what my Saturday is gonna look like, and the party, so, or the dinner party kind of thing. This much stuff I ordered. So I have a lot of unboxing to do. I'm going to Walmart now to go buy some stuff that I need for tonight, like a blender, paper plates, and things like that. Let's go to Walmart. Alright, so I'm probably doing really bad with this vlog, but I just got back from Walmart. I bought some stuff here, which I'll also be showing you guys what I bought. I bought a blender because I really need it for cooking tonight, but I still need to go to the grocery store again to go get my spices. Remember yesterday where I forgot to get spices? So I need to go get spices. Actually, good afternoon, guys. It's like 2:30 p.m. and I just got up from my bed. So I have done nothing today and I actually have a ton of stuff to do. Yesterday night was the housewarming party and it was so much fun. I'm really happy that my friends came over. We ate some good food, played games, drank, and just like chilled. So that was really good. So I'm really happy that that happened. I'm so happy that I like actually hosted an event, like hosted like a freaking little party kind of thing. So that was really good, and I went to bed really tired around like 3 or something. So because when they left I cleaned up and everything, so I went to bed really tired. And so this morning I was just like, I have no alarm clock, I'm just going to sleep as much as I can, and I want to. But then I would have woken up around like 10 or 11, but my best friend, who is in Nigeria right now, called me at freaking 7 a.m. in the morning and woke me up. And so we had a whole like 30-minute to an hour conversation. I literally just went back to sleep. And now it's like 2:30 and I have so much to do and I haven't really done much. Like I need to wash my hair, like my hair is a mess. I need to do laundry, I need to take the trash out and like finish cleaning this place up. But I feel like I definitely still have time to do that. I have the whole day to myself. I have nothing else to do. This is how much trash I need to take out. Like, it's a lot of trash. So I haven't eaten yet, so I got hungry. Ooh, the sunlight is something. Ooh, that's so much. Anyways, but I haven't eaten, so I got hungry, so I'm making myself some avocado toast. I just did my avocado right here. I have my toast toasting right here, and then I fried some of my eggs. All right, so this is my meal: 3 avocado toast with water. I'm just sitting in the living room, about to eat my food.